Welcome to the Deep Creek 2014 International Canoe Federation Canoe and Kayak Slalom World Championship. I'm Jado Phelan, coming to you from beautiful McHenry, Maryland. Some athletes have been here as early as September 3rd, practicing for the competition this week. We're all living in anticipation of opening ceremonies tomorrow night starting at 7 p.m. There will be an ICF Ascension flag ceremony, fireworks, a cash bar, and live music for the whole family. Beginning Thursday morning, the competition starts at 9 a.m. and goes until 6 p.m. with men's and women's canoe and kayak heats. You can check out the rest of the program at the URL listed. As you can see, the athletes are making their way down a 3/4 of a mile man-made river channel known as an artificial whitewater course. Adventure Sports Center International, or locally known as ASCII, was dreamed up on the banks of the Savage River at the 1989 Whitewater World Championship, which is the only other time this competition has been held on U.S. soil. And as you can see, that dream is coming to full fruition this week as the competition is being held here. There are many opportunities for you to follow us online through Facebook, live stream, and live competition results. Also, the Deep Creek 2014 website is a great resource for competition information and schedule. So stay tuned, we're going to have a very exciting week here. And whether you're new to the sport or a die-hard fan, I'm sure that you will enjoy this world-class event. I'm Jado Phelan with Sports Scene TV.